Alpha and Omega, the creator of laws and winds, laws of enemies and winds for the participates. No wonder my stance is no curable. Either I defeat or something I drag into the place that I'm alone. Because I'm the one treasure in the bottom of Surroundhouse, bottom of everything alone by myself. No curable sure of which answer myself because I'm the spoker and I do create my spoker to say win but I'm alone. Always I'm alone. No curable sure win to me, for me, myself.